Let's fill out a Wyoming Prenuptial Agreement together and check off every legal requirement as we go. This is Wyoming's Prenuptial Agreement, the contract a couple signs before marrying to set their own financial rules. On the right is everything Wyoming asks of it. The agreement has to be in writing, and that is the document in front of you. Start with the effective date, the day the couple plans to sign before their wedding. Type the month, day, and year here. Next, enter each prospective spouse's name and mailing address, exactly as they will appear on the signed pages. The agreement calls them Prospective Spouse 1 and Prospective Spouse 2, names carried through the signature block and the schedules ahead. Further down, a clause names which state's law governs the agreement and which state's courts would hear a dispute. This is a Wyoming agreement, so both blanks say Wyoming. The attached schedule lists each person's finances. Spouse 1's copy shows a bank account, a car, and some jewelry as examples. Spouse 2's copy follows the identical layout, with a different sample balance, vehicle, and valuable item. A spouse can give up the right to an elective share of the other's estate and to a homestead or other statutory allowance. It takes a writing signed by the spouse giving them up, and it can be done in whole or in part, before the marriage or during it. The agreement closes with a signature line and a dated line for each spouse. Fill out your own prenuptial agreement free at FormsPal, no sign-up required.